Good day, all. Myself, Dr. Ronnie Jane Raju. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Commerce of St. Thomas College, Rani, Pathanamthitta district, and it is located in the state of Kerala. This is a presentation which is given for the UGC HRDC of Aligarh Muslim University, Uttar Pradesh, and this is about academic excellence. So we know what the academic excellence is. It is something which shows the ability to perform, achieve, or excel in scholastic activities. To achieve academic excellence, it is essential to create an environment that fosters the development of a community that can grow intellectually, socially, and ethically, and is therefore able to pursue successful and fulfilling careers. The term academic excellence does not only means making the students to get higher grades on exam and having 100% result for the institution. The term has a wider aspect in modern days and have a great impact on modern education system. As Qatari Commission on Education rightly put that India's destiny is being shaped in classroom. It is the higher education institutes, colleges and universities. The future of the country is shaped. Excellence in education requires input, dedication of the teacher, student and the parent. When one of the three fails to participate, the balance is thrown off and the maximum results are not met. A teacher has a great role to improve the quality of the institution and bringing academic excellence of that institution. As a teacher, each teacher have a great role in promoting active learning and thereby bringing academic excellence. For that, a teacher should have a keen interest to have a balanced curriculum in the institution. The emphasis should given to cognitive development of the students and consideration on student individual needs, abilities, interests, potentials and developmental history. As part Apart from these, the personal and social development, self understanding and various levels of life skills training have to be included in the curriculum. Besides the basic academic and cultural subjects, there should be an appropriate weightage for the learning areas in personal and social development. That means the aim of the institution should be a holistic education. It must be providing a holistic education. Another mode of improving academic excellence is to introduce a productive pedagogy. That means teaching that brings out the best in students. Under such a teaching style, the students can be very able to display or show off their hidden attributes, skills, and talents. If there is no productive pedagogy, student could not bothered about or student could not be identified, and we can't frame the students in such a way which showing their interest for learning. And to be in high in productive pedagogy, a teacher should view all the students as capable of learning, see themselves as facilitators of learning, and also see the students learning very much as his or her responsibility. He or she should also focus on skill development more than transmitting content, work more innovatively with curriculum to create active learning or to create some learning windows and have higher extracurricular involvement. Promoting active learning, teachers must design some strategies for energizing and sustaining attention of students who then become very interested in doing any classroom activities. Students' active participation throughout a lesson is a trademark of the active, action oriented learning. Those students who enjoy such learning styles and strategies conducted by the teachers would surely benefit the most by retaining as much knowledge as possibly they can. It will help in bringing academic excellence and all. And another mode of securing academic excellence is bringing the research culture among the students. So, creating a culture of research is another mode. An institution can be excelled only when it gives high priority to research which benefits the local public. And more career guidance and placement cell have to be strengthened to achieve the academic excellence. In addition to it, an institution should have a keen interest to find out the entrepreneurial traits of the students, and the entrepreneurial clubs of the institution have to be make more productive to make the students or student in such a way that or develop the students in such a way that they will possess some entrepreneurial qualities, and this all helps to make the institution more efficient. Another mode of bringing academic excellence is developing a higher order thinking in students. The role of teachers and students is not just imparting knowledge content but also to develop students in solving problems, making decisions, and adapting to the dynamic of the environment. This all requires students to develop some higher order thinking styles. And teacher student relationship must also strengthen. And a teacher should have a keen interest in giving some skill-based education to students. We all know that the NEP 2020 is also giving high priority for the skill-based education. So these are the different ways in which a teacher can make some steps or can design some steps to improve the academic excellence of the institution. Thank you.